Today we are going to tell a paragraph is about the Lana. These people have tried a new method about how to discover a new insect. First, he have tried many things or insect in their home because he want to research them. And they have the National Geographic in that they have lower time than other scientists to discover the new insect. And he said that he have because he used the UV light these things in the dark and in the forest, and you can easy to saw many kind of insect and try to find the new things. So when they try to solve that, and this paragraph mainly talk about if you have the good method you need to use, and keep keep discover many kind of method to discover what you want to see. This is important, I think, because creative is important things in our life, and if we have the creative, and we can do many things. So research also this, you need to use creative to find a lot of method, and try to do your best, and you will discover a new thing more easier.
Okay, the paragraph today is talking mainly about a people. He wants to build up a micro world in which is the rainforest. He wants to show animals to us, and so he go to the rainforest and find a lot of. And one time he go to a forest at night, and he find a lot of species, a lot of new species. And after that, maybe he go again and use new things, and which is called UV light, and has they have find more species and more animals acting, like with how do they act, or and uh, they have find a lot of things in the forest, and 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 and, and they and they show a lot of things to other people by this small thing. 嗯，好了好了好了，尴尬了，尴尬了。